Cellulite can be fought with nutrition, but you must follow a correct and rigorous diet. Sugars and overly refined carbohydrates should be completely avoided. Therefore, it's better to prefer whole carbohydrates. It is advisable to avoid eating too late in the evening. Saturated fats, sausages, fried foods, and industrial sauces must be eliminated. Unsaturated fats, such as olive oil and Brazil nuts, are fine. Plenty of vegetables should be included in the diet, in particular, fresh spinach, radicchio, artichokes, fennel, broccoli, cucumbers, onions, tomatoes and peppers. Lean meat, lean fish and eggs should be given priority. Legumes are fine for vegetarians. Protein is essential for maintaining lean muscle mass. Phytotherapy recommends blueberry, sweet clover, centella, butcher's broom and horse chestnut. You need to drink a lot of water. Water doesn't make you lose weight, but it helps eliminate toxins. Green tea, without sugar, is also recommended. Lithium fights cellulite and regulates circulation. It is especially recommended during menopause. Lithium is found in whole grains and seeds. It is also essential to get enough vitamin C.